Hello everyone, my name is Castin, or Demoni, or Demoni, my middle name. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you on how to make shrimp ceviche, my style. I love it because it's keto friendly, it's good fat, simple, no cooking involved. The only thing is just chopping all the ingredients and putting it together. It's just so simple. But you could tweak it however you want it. If you don't want cucumbers, that's fine. You can substitute it with green peppers, or if you want more salt, less salt, more lime juice, however you want it, it will be your style. So I'm going to list all the ingredients below on how I do it and make it, and let's do it together, shall we? So here are the ingredients. I usually like to use a stainless steel bowl because it gets colder faster, especially when you're short on time. I'll put everything in there, put it in the fridge, usually prepare it an hour or two before serving it. It tastes better, and let it marinate. These are the 3 spices, as you will. I use pink salt, lime juice, and 1 serrano pepper. You could put 2 peppers if you like an extra kick, or none. It's entirely up to you. I use 2 jumbo avocados, or 4 smaller ones. Just make sure it's ripe. I use a bag of cooked shrimp, medium size. You could buy raw ones if you like and then cook them, but I just don't like the hassle. But that's just me. I like them cooked, it's safer and whatnot. 2 cucumbers. And also tomatoes. I use 3 medium-sized ones. You could use cherry tomatoes or whatnot, but I use 3 medium-sized ones. This is cilantro. I love cilantro. It just brings the flavor, everything all together. Very simple ingredients. But I did forget one thing. I forgot the onions. I usually use half an onion, chop it up, but I'll add that at the very end. And here you go. I used red onions, but you're more than welcome to use any kind of onions you like. I just like the contrast. So you just mix everything up in the bowl. Just make sure all the lime juice and whatnot is all marinating all together. And just make sure you don't put too much salt. So you could just add more if it's not enough, but just add it little by little. You don't want to put too much, and then adding with the lime juice, it sometimes overwhelms the ceviche. And then you'll try it. Just make sure. That tastes good. Perfect. And now I will put this in the refrigerator. Wait an hour or so before serving. You could serve it by itself, or some people like to serve it with chips or whatnot. So this is like one of the easiest shrimp ceviche you can make. Sometimes less is more. It doesn't have to be always so complex. So, and there you have it. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.